Well, today's the 19th of August. It's about 3:30 in the evening. It's been raining now for over an hour. Looks like it's getting ready to pick back up again. We sure needed this rain. It's been so hot here this past month or more. Just burning up over here. I sure am glad it rained today. My feet sure needed washing. And that cold water coming off that roof, rubbing my feet on that cement sure feels good. Anyhow, that's one of the pleasures of when it rains. You get to do things you don't normally do. Sit out on the porch, let it rain on your feet. We're over here on BlueSky Road, Halifax, North Carolina. Sure feels good out here now.